Today, I want to talk to you about the fact that life doesn't always go as planned. Sometimes we have one plan in our minds, and what happens in reality is something completely different. Like today, for instance, I was fixing breakfast to take to my husband at work, and I had in my mind I wanted to make him this fabulous egg. I don't know. I was gonna make a burrito, but the tortilla wasn't big enough. So I decided I was gonna make, I don't know, I always experiment, so I came up with something. So I was preparing this meal, and the first batch turned out to be crap. And I thought about my life, and I thought about the fact that for maybe a couple weeks now, I have not shown myself on video. Like I've been preparing meals because cooking truly makes me happy, but I've not shown my face. At this point of the meal, I turned the omelette into scrambled eggs, and you're gonna see how much I've ruined it past this point. And I decided to show the imperfections of the meal, something I had in my mind that I wanted to be great, that turned out to be, I would say, like crap, because that's the way life is. We have plans one way in our minds, and it doesn't always match reality. So when that one failed and I realized it's not what I wanted to present to him, I started over. Because sometimes in life we do have to start over. Last year, maybe about 10 months ago, I was laid off from my job. And for the last 10 months, I've not figured out exactly what I wanted to do in my life, except I know I want to cook. I want to come on here. I want to share what I love with you. And that's maybe all I know how to do right now. But when life doesn't go as planned, we have the opportunity to start over. We have the opportunity to pick ourselves up, try again, and maybe not make it perfect, but make it better. So I'm creating the second batch. The first one was supposed to be scrambled eggs. Not scrambled eggs, it was supposed to be an omelette that turned out to be scrambled eggs because I spoiled it. And instead of, throwing in the towel, I decided to get the second go at it. And here I was able to create, you know, what I had in my mind. Not exactly, but it was better. And the point is, sometimes we're gonna fail, but we get to get up and do it over and make it better. And this is for anybody out there who has been feeling like me, sad to the point that you don't even want to show your face. You only want to share the things that make you happy. But cooking is something that truly makes me happy, and it's been an outlet to express maybe happiness, sadness, whatever it is I'm going through. And I do believe in it's a saying, an adage, or whatever you call it, this too shall pass. This too shall pass applies for good things, and it applies for bad things, and every day is really not going to be the same. One minute you're going to be experiencing extreme joy, and then that will pass, and you're going to experience extreme sadness, and that too shall pass. But this made me happy, and I took breakfast to my husband at work. Thank you for listening. Bye.